fast. Are they red ants or black ants?
Black ants.
Black ants.
Yeah.
And do they run around real fast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what does Mummy do to them? What do I do to the ants?
They give flower away because I don't like them.
They went away. Did you say go away ant?
No.
No. Did Mama make them go away?
They fly away.
Yeah.
They fly away?
And what sort of pet did Sienna bring home from school this week? What special bug did she have?
A red one.
A red one. What's it called? Is it called a ladybug?
A ladybug.
She brought a ladybug home? Oh, they're so pretty. Ladybugs are very lucky, you know.
What did she call the ladybug? Do you remember?
Dots.
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 She let dots go.
Yeah, we had to let Dots go, didn't we?
Yeah, because dots fall down.
Yeah. We didn't want Dots to die, did we?
No.
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 But you like the squirrels, don't you? What is that tongue doing? Licking your chin.
She probably had chocolate all
Big
over her mouth.
slimy tongue.